Say freezing.
Freezing.
Okay.
But without the price.
Yeah.
When it comes to holiday light displays, it's go big or go home. George and Dot Weaver decided to go big with their home. Located in West Harrison, their farm's display covers several acres of the property, and boasts more than 100,000
Right?
lights.
There's a camera, hey.
It's a spectacle that draws visitors from far and wide. We put one strand of lights on the front porch, said George. That was the beginning of it. Cut to many years later, and the display now has so many decorations the couple has to begin setting up in October. When
Transported to
most people
Christmas
are preparing
doings.
for Halloween, the Weavers are outside checking their lights, going through every one, which takes about a week. Then they rent a bucket lift for trees. The display, hot chocolate for families to warm their hands on, the sugary cookies children devour as they watch the display are all free. Everybody does their own thing, said George. Some people are on the fire department. Some people in politics. Some people this way or that way. This is us. Visitors come to marvel at the display each year, and each year it gets bigger and bigger, all created with the simple purpose of bringing joy to their family, friends, neighbors, and community. A Christmas light display that started December 1966 with one strand of Christmas lights and now surpasses 100,000. They will be on every night between Thanksgiving and New Year's Eve from 6 to 10 p.m.
What's over here? The gingerbread house?
Aubrey says that's me because I like to make cookies. Him sleeping.
This was the night before Christmas.
Enjoyed the Christmas lights and the animals. Great family time. Thankful for people like this that will decorate and open their property up for a Christmas walk. They charge nothing, and bring much happiness. 'Tis the season.
I'm gonna run back out to the car for a minute and get. It is getting cold now.
It's Donald. On the train. Can we go in there?
No, we're not allowed.
You said train?
Wow. Hold on. I can take a picture.
Oh, that's fine. You guys are getting away, and it's.
Girl, stand over here and I'll get your picture. Where'd he go? Look at the elephant.
He's trying to lick you.
He looks hungry.
He's trying to lick my face. Look. Here. Watch your kids taking. Do you want this? No, I don't want to pack it.
Say ho ho ho.
That's what he says, ho ho ho.
It's hard to see right now, but my wife and the grandkids are getting some hot chocolate. Okay guys, you gotta check this place out. I guess they call Indianans Hoosters? Hoosers. Okay.
Have a
Where are we at, little man?
look at Ken. Where we at?
Huh?
Where we at?
He's mesmerized by all these lights.
It's a light place.
Well, he was
A light
asleep.
place? I don't even know what it's called. It's just someone's.
It's someone's farm. They do this every year.
Aubrey.
I heard Aubrey too. You need to zip up.
So is there any particular left or right or any...
I guess we go this way. I don't know. Okay. Anything down that way?
I don't know. I don't think it is.
We're at somebody's farm. Yeah.
Here, get the kids up here. We get their picture, or at least their video. Have a Merry Christmas. Well, you got your phone. You can take the pictures.
Yeah. Is its face in there?
Are you cold? Are you a snowman?
He's so cold he turned to ice. Hold on, then we'll get her picture ready. Grandmother's slow. Say, snow.
That house is really cool.
Even the houses, I know.
Over here they have like little things set up.
Yeah, look, each building has stuff in it.
There's Santa Claus riding a tricycle. Oh, look at these goodies. There's reindeer in that one. It's the reindeer barn. And there's Rudolph. Hide from afar.
What is that?
And here's a church.
Did you see that? She's witty.
Yeah. Look over there. Mama, look.
She's making something. A sweater to keep warm.
Right?
There's
Look, he's holding a candle for her.
Santa
That's pretty
Claus.
cool. Oh, did you see the church?
I didn't know Mickey Mouse and Santa Claus were friends.
Well, let's look at more.
At St. George's Chapel in the Valley. See the train going around? Oh, they're turkeys. Oh, lots of people.
That house is really cool.
Even the houses, I know.
Over here they have like little things set up.
Yeah, look, each building has stuff in it.
There's Santa Claus riding a tricycle. Oh, look at these goodies. There's reindeer in that one. It's the reindeer barn. And there's Rudolph. Hide from afar.
What is that?
And here's a church.
Yeah, they're moving. That's
Did you see that? She's knitting.
yeah. Look what's there. Mama, look.
She's making something. A sweater to keep warm.
Right?
There's
Look, he's holding a candle for her.
Santa
That's
Claus.
pretty cool. Oh, did you see the church?
I didn't know Mickey Mouse and Santa Claus were friends.
Well, let's look at more.
Of St. George's Chapel in the Valley.
Yeah.
We had a good time.
What do you kids think? Pretty cool, huh?
Did you like it? What did you like about it? Talk loud.
You can see the animals.
Yeah, they had live animals and
What
all
did
that
you
good
like?
stuff.
I like the animals.
The animals.
I like that it was free.
Yeah, you know what? This is really cool.
Yeah.
This family does this. They've been doing it for the last 5 years. So,
Yeah,
cool.
it's pretty done up, pretty
You
nice.
get free hot chocolate and a cookie.
Oh, that was free?
Yeah.
I didn't know
and
that.
You can just do a donation.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't
But
beat
it's
that.
all free. They don't charge for this.
Even if you left like 5 or 10, that's cheaper than what you'd pay like at
Yeah.
some other place that would be like this.
Yeah.